Well, we continue in our ongoing series answering your questions about COVID-19 and the impact that it's having on all of us. Fox 12 Simon Gutierrez is live in Northeast Portland with the latest installment. Simon?
Yeah, this question is one that's on the minds of a lot of parents right now. As things open back up, what's the plan for childcare?
Sean in Gresham asks, what is the plan for childcare centers as we move through the phased reopening?
About a week and a half ago, the Early Learning Division announced that we were beginning the process to update the childcare guidance, and the final will be released by August 14th. We recognize how critical it is. Childcare is a support to families, working families, to children, and their health and wellness.
As a parent myself, it seems like a real challenge to ensure some of the social distancing and other safety requirements that the governor has been asking adults to do. What are you hearing about that?
One of the most effective strategies that we can utilize right now to mitigate the spread of COVID is to maintain 6 feet of physical distance. And that is the thing that is not possible in childcare, particularly in the case of caring for younger children. It is not a developmentally appropriate expectation. What the practices then that we are recommending really help to lessen the likelihood of spread of COVID in childcare facilities. So we're recommending things like daily health checks, right, at the door for symptoms, minimizing contact between parents and staff at pickup and drop off, smaller groups of children, and the stability of the groups. There's, I think, a balance of really understanding what is appropriate and realistic and doable for the childcare setting.
Well, Simon, we know that there are some child care providers that have remained open, or they're planning to open back up soon. So do you know what's going on with them?
Those are the centers that have qualified to be emergency child care for essential workers. Those are open, and of course people can find those in their neighborhoods or their areas by calling 211, although of course available slots are in short supply. There's a big demand for child care, obviously. We do have more questions to get to tonight. Coming up at 5, a question about when it's safe to be around someone who has recovered from COVID-19.